Hey guys, it's Steve with Futures and Charts, and it is October 2nd, and it's about 8:10 a.m. in Montana. And I just wanted to give you, obviously, if you're in the grain market, you're probably watching these markets today, but wheat is having a super good day today. I mean, hard red winter wheat is up 20 cents. That's Chicago is up 17. Spring wheat's up 13. This is a pretty huge move. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but this would be something I would be taking advantage of. Let's take a look at the chart here. I've drawn a line of resistance right here from this previous high, and we are basically right at it. And in my opinion, this is forming a pretty good cup-shaped base, which once it hits this point here, it could take a breather and start forming that cup with the handle, which is just be a slightly downward trend for the future here, just coming back off of that a bit before it goes ahead and goes back up. I've also got the Fibonacci's here, and the 50% retracement would be right about 646-ish. And so once it does, if it doesn't just blow through this and it takes this little breather here, I would say it eventually is going to try to get to 650. But that could take some time to develop. So yeah, we'll have to watch this close. If this closes above this today, this 613, if it gets up to 615 or so and closes there, there's a good chance that it's going to keep going. But I'm kind of thinking it's going to settle back here. So if I would look at if you have some grain to sell, today would be a great day. So let's look at the energies. Of course, with the stuff going on with Iran and Israel, oil has had a pretty good pop yesterday and again today. Diesel's up almost 7.5 cents, and crude oil's up 238. So let's have a look at the chart on that. I'll bring that up for you. We are basically right up against this resistance line here. So both as with the case with wheat, we might be running into resistance where maybe some cooler heads prevail and things settle down a little bit, and this actually takes a breather from this big move too, because this is a gap up right here, and usually those gaps like to get filled back in, so they'll backfill that gap in, and it could settle back down into that 70 range before it goes up, or it just might trade sideways after that. But eventually, even with time on a downward slope, trading sideways, you're eventually going to get to a point where you're going to break through that trend line. So, which would get rid of your resistance and probably head back up. Could be next spring by that point. Like I said, it takes time for this stuff to develop. So that's what I got for you today. I hope you liked it. So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the future.